In this video, we'll show you how to download Telegram videos to your gallery. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. This is super useful because the video may not always be available in Telegram. And saving it to your phone ensures you always have a copy. To get started, you'll need to find the video you want to save. I've got one here in this channel. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first way is to tap on the video to open it. You can watch it, but to save it, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Save to Photos. You may need to grant Telegram access to your photos, and then the video will be saved. Alternatively, if you're viewing the video in the chat, you can press and hold your finger on it. A menu will pop up and you can tap Save Video to download it directly to your photos. As you can see, I saved it twice for this example, so it's showing up in my photos twice. If this guide helped you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future.